following cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y equals sin x plus y. Here LHS, left hand side of this question is cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x into sin pi by 4 minus y. This is similar to our equation cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B equals cos A plus B. Then cos pi by 4 minus x. Prove that sin x plus y equals cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. Cos A plus B. A is pi by 4 minus x. B is pi by 4 minus y. Then add this one. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 2 pi by 4. Cos 2 pi by 4 minus x plus minus y. Then cos 2 pi by 4 cancel 2 into 4 pi by 2 minus of taking minus sign in outside, then x plus y. Cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90. This taken as x. We know that cos 90 minus theta equals sin theta. Then cos pi by 2 minus x plus y equals cos 90 minus theta. This taking as cos 90 minus theta equals sin x plus y. Then left hand side equal to right hand side. Our right hand side of this question is sin x plus y. Our answer is sin x plus y. Then LHS equals RHS.